What's happening, y'all? It's Black in Vegas. And I'm back in Vegas. It's Wednesday, 28th, October 28th. I was asleep, but then I just remembered something. Let's go check that shit out. Before it gets too loud over here, that's the D. And what we about to do is check out the grand opening of this new hotel, which is called Circa. I forgot. It opened at midnight, and it's like 12:15 right now. I'm trying to just say this right now before I get over there, give it all loud or whatever. I don't know what it's going to look like. I don't know what the atmosphere is going to be like, so we're going to see what it is in a minute. So I'll catch y'all in a minute. So, there's about to be a whole bunch of noise going on right now, but I'm about to talk over it anyways. Look, let me tell you what's really going on now. I'm glad I just found this out right now. That's where the Circa is. This is a part of a line, but if I were to turn all the way around and go all the way back there, the line is way back there. And all these people are waiting, and they're like social distancing. Look at how this line works. Oh man, so look, I just came all the way to the actual front of this. Now everybody else is on the other side. Like, all the way on the other side, right in front of Fremont where all that noise is, and they're in that long line. There's a fucking line right here, and it's right in front of the building. Yo, this shit's about to be, it's so short. I mean, I gotta walk all the way over there, but if you look at the line itself, there's no fucking line at all. I'm about to go in there for real. Hey, what's that, y'all? And now, I could probably bust these motherfuckers over right now, cut somebody up. I'm sure this place is not that amazing that I need to be in line. You know who's not gonna do that? Me. So, check it out right now, because we're not hopping no line. So this is the front of the line. I just got here real fast. All I gotta do is show my ID, and that's what I'm doing right now. So, I'm gonna do back my ID. And then I'm walking in this motherfucker. Same as usual. You do the whole armrest thing. We check your armrest, and we're just in like everybody else. Just look around, motherfuckers. This is the goddamn sports book. Look at that. This should look crazy. Hey, look at it. So everybody's out here filming shit. Oh, but look at the seating on this place. I guess I am gonna talk through this video because this shit kind of lit. Fucking insane, right? Now a lot of people have they're dressed up because there's a whole event that happened earlier in the night. People who got rooms and put a lot of money into this place. You know how that shit go. And then you got a lot of locals. So a lot of people here are local. Hey, what's happening? No, it's all good. So they got TVs everywhere. I guess they were really trying to get people into back into sports betting. That's what it looks like. That seems feasible. A lot of TVs and shit around here. But what else do they have other than a whole bunch of fucking gambling ass machines? Let's look at some of the decor. happened over here? They said we ain't, it's a work in progress. We just gonna flip you the other way. I wonder why they decided to leave that there. They said we trying something over here. Uh-oh, booty, booty. This shit is fire. If you keep looking at it, it just gets more and more interesting. What's it say? Some steak spot. I can't see that. I'm not going down there. It's closed off anyway. You know you're on Fremont when they got the 99-cent shrimp cocktail. They don't fuck around. That's how you know you're on Fremont. Oh, okay, where the burger place at? I mean the barbecue place at. I ain't seen that. We saw the burgers. Where the barbecue? Actually, the price ain't that bad. Yeah, that's not too bad. Cool lounge chairs. Oh, this is check-in. Coat check. What is this? Is this a club? Will it be a club? I don't know what that's gonna be. It doesn't really look that nice in this. I think they should do more. Like, look. They should do more. They could have did a lot more. This ain't the win. It's the D. The Circa is owned by the D, though. Nowadays, like Caesars is fucking killing it right now because of location is everything. So they're killing it right now. So they need this to be set up for sports betting, especially over here on Fremont, because it's not what it's known for over here. They need that. Yeah, they need that sports betting money back. They're trying to come up. Oh shit. Way to the fucking top. Oh yeah, we going next level. This shit huge. This shit crazy. You came to the right motherfucking spot. At the goddamn stadium swim. Oh, they got this shit laid. second one. 3, 4, 5, I think. They're already getting ready to clean this motherfucker up. This is supposed to be the goddamn screen. I don't know why they don't have it on. That's pretty stupid. But if we go over here, oh, there's another one right here. So I guess it's like, what, 6? Already putting her feet up in. Shit, she said, nigga. It's probably warm as hell. Oh, these are cabanas and shit. Matter of fact. Look at these motherfuckers. Ooh. Oh, fuck yeah. Look at these cabanas, dog. Ooh, no, I'm sorry. You might as well book me a fucking room here. I didn't think I was gonna do it, but this is worth it. This is 100% worth it. I do this shit. Fuck, oh, hell yeah. Yep. That other one's closed over there. Yeah, I guess they're using it as a platform. You can walk on it, have events on it, do all that kind of shit. This shit is crazy though. I guess there's grass down there too. And if we look up, I'm gonna need one of them rooms too. You heard it?